Hey, hello everyone. This is Sujata Sawan, consulting nutritionist. Today I am going to talk about omega 3, an essential fatty acid. You might be knowing that there are three essential fats: omega 3, omega 6, and omega 9. Out of those three essential fats, omega 6 and omega 9, those we can get it from nuts, seeds, and nuts and seeds oils. But most of the people are unaware of omega 3, that is an essential fat and which is missing from our diet. Many of you might not be knowing the role of omega 3 in your overall well-being. Let us know about omega 3 fatty acids. Omega 3 fatty acids are very much essential because omega 3 supports our heart health, it supports our brain health, then it supports our hair health, it takes care of our joint health. Again, it boosts up our metabolism. It helps to reduce the inflammation in the body. Even if you are trying to lose weight, omega 3 will definitely help you by reducing your inflammation and boosting your metabolism in your fat loss process. Omega 3 also helps to reduce triglyceride levels, that means bad fat levels from your bloodstream. And again, it helps to increase the good cholesterol, that is HDL. The recommended dietary allowance of omega 3 for an adult is 1800 mg per day. Let us know the sources of omega 3. The rich source of omega 3 is fatty fish. Among the fatty fish, there are salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna, herring. Those are all omega 3 rich fatty fish. Then other vegetarian sources of omega 3 are flaxseed, then chia seed and walnuts. Now coming to the most important point. How we are going to complete the recommended dietary allowance of 1800 mg per day. It is very simple. If you regularly eat fish about 300 grams per week, and if you include the vegan sources of omega 3, those are flax seeds, walnuts and chia seeds, your requirement of omega 3 will be completed. If you are not able to include your fatty fish in your diet, then you can go for omega 3 fish oil supplements. There are many brands in the market. You can go for any brand. You can take 1000 mg of omega 3 after your breakfast or after your lunch, and the remaining 800 mg of the omega 3 requirement you can get from the vegan sources. Those are walnuts, flax seeds and chia seeds. I request everyone to include omega 3 rich food in your daily diet to get amazing health benefits from it. Thanks for watching.